So I would like to address my three no-nos I've identified in my presentational speaking, which include moving around too much, not making eye contact, and not talking loud enough. So I'll start off with moving around too much. Typically, when I speak, I'll, just be talking, moving around. It mostly happens when I forget what I'm really talking about because I'll start to get nervous. Maybe I'll start to just move around, hoping that I'll remember what I was talking about previously. So, yeah, this is what I'll typically do when this happens, just this kind of thing. But obviously, in a normal speech, I should just be, feet firmly on the ground, standing still, maybe moving around a little bit if it goes with kind of the theme of what I'm talking about. But in general, I should just be standing feet flat on the ground. And then the second thing is eye contact. That's another thing that happens usually to me when I kind of forget what I'm talking about, or if I'm losing concentration. Sometimes I'll start looking around at the walls and the ceiling like this, and it's obviously not right because I'm supposed to be looking at the crowd the whole time, but oftentimes this is what will end up happening instead of being like this, which is how you're supposed to normally present. And yeah, and then lastly, not talking loud enough. So sometimes when I'm focused too much on how I'm going to, or what I'm presenting, there's too many things going on in my head. Sometimes I'll forget to really talk loud or really articulate what I'm saying. But really, I should just be talking like this the whole time, So especially if you're in like a big room, just so everybody could hear you, and you really want to fill up the space. And then on the other hand, if you don't articulate yourself, then your speech isn't going to be as meaningful, and people aren't going to know what you're talking about. So yeah.